Did you know that if you don't use the proper pipe material for your potable water when piping something like an ice maker or a water heater, that you can contaminate your drinking supply? For example, there was one water heater that I inspected. They installed steel pipe connections on the hot and the cold supply of their water heater. That steel pipe connection came from the store with threads on both ends. It's black malleable steel pipe. It has oil in it from the factory. That oil can contaminate your drinking water. So make sure when you're installing different pipe materials or fixtures that they at least meet the minimum material standards found in the plumbing code.